Abalone. Abalone haliatus, the American name for the large Pacific ormer or ear shell, is a gastropod mollusk. The single flat shell is very beautiful with iridescent colors on the inside and also on the outside when the surface is cleaned of encrustations. There are usually many perforations on the side of the shell through which the water emerges after passing the abalone's gills. Abalones are found along the California coasts, the largest being the red abalone haliotis. Rufescent, with a shell up to 10 in 25.4 centimeters across. The red abalone is the largest species of abalone in the world and the most common abalone found in Northern California. Red abalone sometimes occurs intertidally, but is more common subtidally. Most California abalones mature at between 3 and 7 years of age and may live for 35 to 54 years. The green Abalone haliotis. Fulgens is thin-shelled and smaller, up to 6 in 15 centimeters. Ranges from Point Conception, California, to Bahia de Magdalena, Mexico. They live in shallow water on open or exposed coasts from the low intertidal to at least 30 feet, and perhaps as deep as 60 feet. They are found in rock crevices, under rocks, and other cryptic spaces. Black Abalone haliotis. Crackaroti, 5 and 13 centimeter, across, unlike the other two that cling to rocks, lives among rocks in the surf, and consequently has a clean and shining shell. Haliotis crackaroti, the black abalone, is a species of large edible sea snail, a marine gastropod mollusk in the family Haliotidae, the abalones. This species is relatively small compared with most of the other abalone species from the eastern Pacific, and it has a relatively smooth, dark shell. The flesh from the large muscular foot attached to the shell is regarded as a delicacy and eaten in many American cities along the Pacific coast, and the shell is used for decorative work. Because of this, the animal was in danger of extinction until the minimum size limits for fishing were imposed and exports were banned. Most of the abalones that are now eaten in the United States are imported from Mexico. Abalone 10 facts. 1. Abalone are primitive animals. 2. They have highly desirable iridescent shells. 3. Red abalone are the biggest and most prized. 4. They can spawn millions of eggs at once. 5. They have an extremely low survival rate. 6. Abalone are often farmed. 7. They're also sold on the black market. 8. They're considered a delicacy. 9. They're a staple of indigenous culture. 10. 2. Abalone species are endangered.